Hello, and welcome back to ClearTask. If you are working with European pricing or budgets in Excel, you will need the euro symbol. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to add the euro sign to your currency format, along with a handy keyboard shortcut to speed up your workflow. Let us get right into it. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and select the cells, columns, or rows that contain the numbers you want to format. Now, right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the menu. A new window will pop up. In the Number tab, click on Currency from the list on the left. Look for the symbol drop-down menu, click on it and scroll down until you find the euro symbol. You might see a few options for different European countries, so just pick the one that fits your needs best. Right above the symbol option, you can also adjust the decimal places. Usually, 2 decimal places is perfect for currency. Once you are happy with the preview, click OK. And just like that, your numbers will instantly update to show the euro sign. Now, let us talk about the keyboard shortcut to make this process even faster. Instead of right-clicking and navigating the menu, simply highlight your cells and press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. If you are on a Mac, press Command+1. This will instantly open the Format Cells window. From there, you can quickly select currency, pick your euro symbol, and hit Enter. This trick saves a massive amount of time when you are working with large spreadsheets. And that is it. A simple and professional way to handle euro formatting in Excel. If this tip helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.